As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, the joy of being new parents. What a miracle. Look at this precious angel. Before Ray Baby here showed up like a knight in shining armor, you and your baby were constantly losing sleep.
Excuse me.
And when you finally were able to get some work done, you could hardly focus on anything because you were constantly thinking about the baby. And let's face it, that old baby monitor you were using just wasn't much help. Now you have Ray Baby on call 24/7 with the first truly smart non-contact baby wellness tracker. With this brand new state-of-the-art technology, parents are able to track their baby's vitals, such as respiration rate and sleeping habits.
It starts with a conversation. As a family, we talk about when and how often to use our iPhones, Kindle Fires, iPads, and the list goes on.
It isn't about shutting down the internet, hiding devices, or controlling technology. It's about creating healthier screen habits indefinitely. Here's how simple it is with the TechDen app. We schedule allowable times our kids can use their device and for how long.
So for us, we scheduled a session for after school between 4 and 6 p.m. Now, we don't want our kids using their devices for 2 hours, so we set a limit for 30 minutes. If it's within that window, our kid can access his device. If it's not, it's locked. But if it is within that window of approved device time, our kid gets notifications, so he knows how much device time remains.
And when they return it on time, they earn a reward point. We determine what the reward is based on what works best for us.
As parents, we establish reward systems to positively reinforce good behavior and healthy habits, and Tech Time is no different.
Thanks for watching.